morning, cyclists. Today is Saturday, September 9th, 2023. I'm backing out of my driveway, getting ready to drive to Pearland for the Roland Pearland bike ride. It started raining. I'm going to go because sometimes the rain dissipates as it moves around. So, got about 45-50 minute drive. Well, I made it through the rain, closed freeway, and whatever else you could throw at us. It's not raining here. I got here 6:31 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna go over here and pick up my packet, I guess. All right, I picked up my packet. We're here in the starting area. It looks like Pearland bicycles are out helping people. And I'll walk back to the Jeep and get my bike out. Lightning way east. Hopefully no rain. I'm in the parking lot. Not a full parking lot, but people are still coming in. Have some clouds up there. All right, we're getting ready to start here.
I appreciate you bringing awareness and raising attention to something that is so critical to all of us. Thank you all.
Weather looks kind of threatening over to the east.
Thank you, Don. Thank you, Darla. Really appreciate you. Let me hand it over to Mr. Keith Caldwell. And then before we get started, before every ride that Justice League does, we always make sure to say a prayer. So we'll have my friend Adam Bateman with Grace Pizza and Shakes, who's a huge sponsor of this ride, to do the prayer beforehand.
MCC, Major Taylor H-Town, Chain Reaction, also with the Pearland Bikes, Gear Monkey, and also we have Trek as well. And also want to thank Pushing Watts as well. And Rough Riders, that's it. So now we have the press and we'll get this ride started.
Thank you guys, thanks to Eric for doing this for mental health. This is a huge...
No matter what ride it is, all
Not today. A group's leaving out. It is 3 minutes after 7. B group is rolling out.
Be safe out there.
7:04. Most everybody. I'm going to be in C group. Bring up the rear. All right, we're rolling. Okay, as we exit the sports complex. Okay, we're rolling along. Not quite to 1 mile yet.
Passing right.
Continuing south, I may be the last person, last rider. There are 3 in front of me. I'm riding my Cervelo Caledonia bike today. I'm riding the 50-mile route, which according to Ride GPS is 48.43 miles. Hopefully those clouds stay over to the east. Turning left at the light. Starting to feel a few sprinkles. This is County Road 58, I think. Catch up with a few people at the stoplight. .9 part. Biker down on the pavement. Not sure exactly what happened. He wasn't moving around very much, but they were talking to him. Biker down. They were going to call somebody to help. .5 miles, riding south. Few riders in front, few riders in back. At least I'm no longer bringing up the rear. Time 7:41. Three riders passing. I'm riding southeast. And a rooster. 9.2 miles. .43 a.m. Average speed's 14.4 miles an hour. Makes a big difference when you don't have to start and stop so much. First rest area. Rest stop. Don't really need to stop, but get some video. Well, I changed my mind. I did stop. Had a chewy granola bar. So now we're heading west, I guess, on Large Avenue. Gonna do a little climbing up over railroad tracks. Okay, made it. Downhill. It's a rest stop too. Again, I don't really need to stop, but I can catch some video. Picture. Nice looking place. Fountain.
It's not like you're going to be working on $1,000
Bolt's going crazy because I'm off the route. Okay, 16.3 miles, 18 minutes after 8. Overall average speed is 14.3 miles an hour. I'm riding south on Iowa Colony Boulevard. 17.0 miles. Time is 22 minutes after 8. Got some wind, let's say from the right front quarter. Groundskeepers are out busy this morning. Overall average speed, 14.2 miles an hour. There's Freedom Field. I've started bike rides from there in February, and right off the top of my head I can't think of what the name of the ride is. Four cyclists up in front. Group of riders caught up with me. Still on Iowa Colony Boulevard, I believe. .1 miles, 26 minutes after 8. Some wind, headwind. Overall average speed is 14.2 miles an hour. Just turned left from Iowa Colony Boulevard onto Brisker Parkway. 19.8 miles. 34 minutes after 8. Keeping overall average speed at 14.2 miles an hour. Not riding into the headwind as much now. It's more of a crosswind. Looks like the sky is brightening up some. I think the rain stayed to the east. That lady cyclist zoomed by me. She said hello. .9 miles. Getting back into some headwind. Right front quarter. 22.0 miles. Time's 42 minutes after 8. Improved my overall average speed, 14.3 miles an hour, thanks to not riding into the headwind. Sky still looks favorable. I'm riding on County Road 60, headed west, back where I turned on to County Road 60. I'm not sure what road I turned off of, but maybe Brisker Parkway. Anyway, there was a cyclist there with a flat rear tire. He'd already replaced the tube and then went flat again. So if I see a sag wagon or come to the, I told him if I see a sag wagon or get to a rest stop, I'd tell him where he's at. He's walking west on County Road 60. 24.5 miles. 53 minutes after 8. Overall average speeds 14.3 miles an hour. Some headwind, probably left front quarter. Riding west on County Road 60, I believe, straight into the headwind. .0 miles. Time's 9 a.m. Average speed overall is 14.3 miles an hour. I see traffic going north and south. Hopefully, I haven't looked ahead on the route to see, but we got to be turning to the north. Move this headwind around to the crosswind, or maybe even a tailwind. All right, on the County Road 60 and Texas 288, moving over to the frontage road. For 3.2 miles. It says on turn-by-turn directions. I'm at 27.8, so it'll make it about 31 miles. 8 minutes after 9. With all the headwind, my overall average speed dropped to 14.2 miles an hour. I turned right off of the frontage road onto Meridiana Parkway. I think I'm saying that close to right. Lavender colored flowers. Okay, we're going to continue straight. .3 miles. 26 minutes after 9. Average speed's 14.4 miles an hour overall. Supposedly there's a rest area up ahead. Riding back, same rest stop, number 2, I think it is, that I had on the way out. So stopped, had a bottle of water and a couple of cereal bars, so we're ready to roll. We got about 16 miles to go. Well, haven't had to worry about 100-degree weather so far. It's been rather comfortable. Now that I'm heading back to the start area, the wind is more of a tailwind, which is good. .6 miles. 9:46 a.m. At the stop sign, turn a left onto Masters. It is, I'm at 36.9 miles. 59 minutes after 9. Overall average speed is 14.4 miles an hour. 2.4 miles to the next turn. Riding west on Croix Road, C-R-O-I-X. That's how I'm pronouncing it, Croix. Next turn from this road should be about 44.3 miles. Right now I'm at 41.8. Time's 19 minutes after 10. Riding west. Overall average speed is 14.5 miles an hour. Not bad. Got a little headwind. Going to turn left, or not left, going to turn right on Alameda School Road at the traffic light. .2 miles. Ten 10:36 a.m. Right. Riding north on Alameda School Road. Wind is strong. Strong headwind. .4 miles. Time's 41 minutes after 10. Overall average speeds 14.5 miles an hour. Stopped at the last rest stop. 5 miles to go. Got some water and Gatorade. Cyclist is on a nice canyon bike. Still strong wind. I'm riding north. I think at the next traffic light we turn. Route turns. Not sure which direction right yet. I'm at 46.7 miles. Time is 50 minutes after 10. Pulling into the finish area. Wow, that wind was brutal going north. It's let's see here, 49.1 miles. Time is 2 minutes after 11. There we come to the start area. The wind is brutal.